Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that your application is completely up to date. For that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Facebook and see whether you need to update your application or not. As you can see, in my case, I have to update my application, so click the update button and wait for the application to be updated. Once the application is completely updated, go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. So basically, there's no such direct way of recovering your deleted photos and videos on the Facebook. However, there's a lengthy process which you can give it a try. For that, tap the try bar icon. Once you're logged in, scroll down right to the bottom and go to Settings and Privacy. Once again, click the Settings button and it's going to take you to Settings and Privacy page. Here, scroll down to the bottom and go to Your Information. Here, you need to go ahead and select Download Your Information. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on the continue button in order to proceed on. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you need to go ahead and tap on the download or transfer information. Now make sure to deselect all of those accounts which are not necessary for you, and then you need to go ahead and select specific type of information. So here you need to mark what sort of things was that. Go ahead and tap on, and if you happen to download the messages or all that, you can do that as well and tap the next button. After that, you need to select where you actually want to download the device. Just tap on the next button. Now that you've already submitted the request and all that, all you have to do is just wait patiently until you get further notified about the information that they have recovered. So that's basically how you can recover the deleted photos and videos on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.